There's memories that you seem to forget. And my plus one was to be able to just share things that were going on with us who were two nurses working during a pandemic and raising a preemie during the pandemic. So that's really why we started My Plus One, be able to look back and highlight some of the things that we're going through and express ourselves. Fast forward to us moving to Orlando. That video really truly highlights why we continued to do it. We found a food truck that, we really loved, and the owners came out. She was so thankful. She was like, oh, somebody came because they saw your video. Just wanted to show appreciation to us. I was so humbled by it. So that happened today. And then later on, Dan came downstairs and he showed me a comment on his channel. If you haven't checked out Cutting Up with Mac, check that out. So the comment on Dan's channel today was just like someone who has a medical condition, and he said that he was having difficulty trying to figure out something on one of like the shaving devices. And the way that Dan explained it, he still was having some difficulty, but then he asked his like partner to help him, and she was able to do it because of his video. You never know why somebody will watch your video. You never know what somebody will take from your video. But when you realize that your video could make someone's day better, could just make their day go a little easier, like for me, that's my why. I want to be able to make my mark in this world. There's something so different about like people that you don't know become a part of this like weird family. People that are praying for you, people that are supporting you, and you've never met them. There's no feeling like that. Like I said, you might start YouTube for whatever reason, because content creation is difficult and it doesn't always pick up after one video or two videos, after 100 videos. So you can get discouraged. But moments like this clip and moments like the comment today, if you continue to remember why you started something and why you want to continue it, it makes it easier. It's been a struggle sometimes, continuing to do this 2 years down, maybe even more, 3 years that we've been, kind of making this goal of ours. But we continue to do it because of that clip and because of comments. People are watching. Even when you feel no one is watching, there's people out there that are watching. So thank you for being a part of our journey. And if this is your first time, I hope you continue to come back. Like if you like, but if you really want to show some love, hit that sub and hit that bell as well. Happy New Year. Hope to see you in 2025.